Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on the Ulta Beauty website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ulta.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Ulta Beauty website. Now from this page, if you have already logged into your account, then you will see your account icon at the top right corner. Otherwise, you can click on the sign in/join button and then proceed with your credentials. Now from the home page, click on the account icon at the top right corner and you will see the manage account button. Just click on this button and you will be taken into your account settings page. Now from this page, just scroll down and you will find the edit button alongside your personal info. Click on this button and now you will find the option to change your email address. Click on the arrow key at the right side of your email and now you can enter your desired new email address. Type in your desired new email address and then type it in once again to confirm it and then click on the save button. Once you click on this save button, you will receive a verification email within your new email address. Go ahead and click on this verification link and your new email address will successfully be changed. And now you can log into your Ulta Beauty website account using your new email address along with your original password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on the Ulta Beauty website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.